We'd like to introduce you to the top 1%, a select group of elite roofing professionals, the best in their field, who have earned a place in our top tier. This is an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor. Owens Corning is the most trusted and recognized brand in roofing, so you can expect that when you choose Owens Corning roofing materials, you're getting high-quality products that will perform. And when you're looking to find the right contractor to install your roof, there's no higher bar with Owens Corning Roofing than Platinum. Becoming a part of the network is a badge of honor. A contractor must carry at least $1 million in general liability insurance. Next, they're screened for financial stability and customer service. And finally, they have to pass a workmanship inspection to show they do quality work. Because of these high standards, Platinum Preferred Contractors are the only ones who can offer the Platinum Protection Roofing System Limited Warranty. Your home is a valuable asset, and your roof should help protect against the elements of Mother Nature. So trust your investment to an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor today.